tell you how to create an AI anchor. First of all, create an anchor. You have to open a browser, and here you have to search a web page and a website named ECREAD Creator AI. You will click on it, open the site. Here you see Creator AI video creation platform. You have to open it. You have to create an AI anchor. Here you see if you want to create an AI, you have first to create your account. If you are not signed in, you have to create your account. Then sign in, I will log in here. I have to write an email and password. You too need, if you want to create, then you have to write your email and create your own password. I have to write my email. And same, I have to write it again. Now it's successfully logged in. Here you see that you can create video, digital human video, AI copy typing, AI text typing, AI model, AI smart cutout. You can create whatever using in which variety of field AI model. We see that you can create your own AI model. And in digital human video creation, we want to create an AI anchor. Here there are a variety of anchors available, of which 5 are free of mod, and further we have to upgrade our account. You have to upgrade your account for the variety of anchors. There are many. We have created by free, so we will click on free one. You can change this mode from landscape, horizontal, vertical to horizontal. So there are many languages in which you can create. There's English, Hindi, Urdu, Tamil, Ukrainian, variety of language. So which suits you best, you will use it. Here we choose English. That's the best. And you can change the voice of the person. That will be Sario or Rian. I will choose this one. We'll begin it as well. And language style, that can be chat and the web menu. You can write here to write a context. That's I have written. That's hello, I am here. AI anchor here to tell you how to make AI anchor. You can listen it for audition. Whenever you say you create your video, you can create video. And here it will provide you 300 coins, or which will consume 3k coins only. So you can generate the video and save it in your phone. Here we are, AI anchor is ready. If you want to see many more videos of the animation,